This is baking soda.
Okay, so you're pouring the baking soda into the glass, into the volcano.
Look at it, it's already having steam coming out. It's waiting for the moment. It's going to be. And this is vinegar, and I just put food coloring in it to make it look good.
It's going to smell like Easter eggs.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, now tell us what's going to happen, Coop.
So I put it in, and then
It's probably going to be all bubbly.
and then because the vinegar smells bad, the reaction's just going to be it.
Is it because it smells bad or because of something in the vinegar?
I think it's because of something.
It's a chemical reaction
Yeah.
between it.
Oh, it's pink.
All right.
One more.
All of it.
The rest of it.
All of it.
Get more.
It turned out pink, not so red.
It's okay.
Uh-oh. It's coming.
Don't.
Whoa.
Wow.
It stinks.
All right. So how is that like a real volcano?
Well, volcanoes, like,
What is that supposed to be like that's coming out?
the lava.
The lava. Very good. Awesome. We loved it. What did you guys think?
Good.
Well,